So on the group, if they are searching for the link, then please, if they are the people who are joining late and they will ask for link, so I will request just any of you that take care of that link, sharing links. Okay, see, there is one Rupa Khanna sharing link. I'm so sorry. Rupa Khanna, there is someone else. Rupa Khanna. Yeah. No. She is someone different. You just take care of my phone if you can. Okay. Rupa Khanna is here. Thank you, Rupa Khanna. So I would like to ask all of you that how many of you feel that you're financially stuck? You would love to have that financial independence जहां पर आपको पैसे जब आप खर्च करें तो आपको किसी को जवाब ना देना पड़े. यू आर नॉट आंसरेबल टू एनीवन. आप अपने अपने हिसाब से अपनी सोच से डिसीजन लेके अपने ऊपर पैसा खर्च कर सकते हो. मैं खर्च यूज नहीं करती हूँ वर्ड, मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट करती हूँ कि आप अपने ऊपर इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. आप लोगों में से कितने को ऐसा लग रहा है कि वी आर राइट नाउ not that much financially feeling that great? Either I'm not at all feeling great, or I would love to have more financial freedom. How many of you feel that you would love to have more financial freedom? Yes, Veena, I always love your two hands. Yes, and we all love to have that financial freedom, isn't it? That we want, that we don't have to give any accounts to anyone, and we can think, we can feel, and we can make a decision. Yeah. So, and how many of you, thank you for sharing that, and how many of you are feeling that आप जहां पर हो वहीं पे आप स्टक हो, और या 1 साल हो गया, 2 साल हो गया, बट यू आर नॉट प्रोग्रेसिंग. यू आर, हेल्थ इश्यू है तो वहां वही है या बदतर हो गए हैं, फाइनेंशियल इश्यू है वही है या बदतर हो गए हैं, या फिर लिव इन रिलेशनशिप है, लव लाइफ है, वही है या बदतर हो गया है. सो कितने लोगों को यहाँ पर लग रहा है कि वी आर देयर एंड वी रियली रियली विश टू grow in that growth in that area? How many of you feel that? Thank you. Thank you for sharing your hands. So, welcome today for this class. Being an Akshay Tritiya, welcome to the class of financial independence, where we are not only about to experience financial independence, but we are about to experience independence in every area of your life. Prosperous, feeling prosperous. Prosperity means every area of your life you are feeling prosperity. So welcome to all of you. And I would like all of you, as you know that I want two-way interaction. So I would like all of you to begin with writing the first chat box. In the chat box, every one of you will write it, that I am financially independent. I am financially independent. And that is what our goal is. I am financially independent. I'm financially independent. I am financially independent. Yes, I am financially independent. Thank you for sharing. Yes, thank you, Shilpa, Sindhu, Divya, Anita, and yes, I am financially independent. Thank you very much. Now, begin with a story. I would like to have a story today. One of my mentor, Alan Cohen, very dear to me. I have done even coaching training from him also, apart from Louis Hay coaching, Helio Life coach. So during his coaching training, he shared one story. And the story goes about that he used to go to a pond every day, evening, for a walk. And every time when he goes to that pond and he sits there, he sees a fisherman with the net and fishing, sitting on the bank of the pond and corner of the pond and fishing. And he will fish. जब भी वो fish पकड़ के आती है उसके इसमें hook में, he will look at the fish, turn around, look at the fish. Few fishes, he will keep it with him. Few fish, he will throw it back. And that goes for 1 day and 2 days. And this Alan Cohen, he was wondering that why is he doing this? Why is he doing this? So he went to him and asked him that why are you doing this? Why are you throwing away a few fishes? He said that वो fishes मेरे काम की नहीं है. What do you mean by that? Why are you doing this? He said कि ये तो मेरे आते हो, मैं आता हूँ यहाँ पर कि रोज मेरा घर का खाना पीना इस पे चलता है. ये फिशेस में लेके जाता हूँ, मेरी वाइफ इसको पकाती है एंड रोस्ट करती है पैन में, एंड पैन में रोस्ट करके वी ईट. दैट्स आवर एवरीडेज मील एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कमिंग हियर. एंड जो फिशेस फेंकते क्यों हो? एलन ने पूछा, क्यों फ्यू फिशेस आर यू, व्हाई आर यू throwing it? And the answer is very weird and funny. He shared that I am taking the fishes only of that size which fits in my pan, so that I can roast it fully. What does this mean? It has a very direct connection to ourselves. What is the connection? मैं वही साइज की फिशेस पकड़ता हूं जो मेरे पैन में फिट हो सकती हैं. All the rest of the fishes which are bigger, I throw them out. What is the story talks about? The story is symbolically telling us that that pan is nothing else but our consciousness. Our consciousness is a vessel. And in that vessel, whatever fits in, universe gives us. If my vessel is smaller, universe is going to give me only this much. But if my vessel is bigger, then universe will give me this much. And if my vessel is bigger, then universe is going to give me this much. And if my vessel is bigger, then universe is going to give me this much. So it has exact proportion to your consciousness. So what is your consciousness? And how do you build it? चैतन्य बोलते हैं मेरे ख्याल से कॉन्शियसनेस को. अवेयरनेस को जागृति कहते हैं और हिंदी में कॉन्शियसनेस को चैतन्य कहते हैं, if I'm not wrong. What does this mean? And what does consciousness depends on? What do you think? Now I want to hear from you. What does consciousness depends on? What do you think? What do you feel, Jane? What does consciousness depends on? What do you feel, Veena, Shilpa, Anita ji? What do you feel?
Consciousness, I think, would depend upon how much we're aligned or connected to ourselves. Accordingly, we would be able to manifest our needs of ourselves. What
Mhm.
we think we actually deserve.
Hmm.
Consciousness. If you think small that we deserve less, then our consciousness is going to be operated like that only. If we think like the whole universe is mine, then there is no end to our consciousness. That's how it is coming to me.
Yes, super, very beautiful. Anybody else would like to share their ideas? What do you get out of this story, and what do you understand? Veena, what does consciousness mean to you?
It's mostly influenced by our upbringing and the belief system that we develop through our experiences. ये मैं इतना ही कर सकती हूँ तो इतना ही करूंगी या फिर इतना ही होगा, मुझे इसका रिजल्ट भी इतना ही मिलेगा.
Exactly.
That way we fear to think beyond that.
Super, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So both of them are telling, Shilpa and Veena, excellent, beautiful answers. Thank you for sharing this. What Shilpa is also talking about, that if I'm going to think small about myself, my vessel is going to be smaller and I am going to receive only small results. And if I'm going to think expanded, if my thinking is expanded, if I'm connected with my energies and I'm thinking expanded, then my vessel is becoming bigger and I'm going to receive in a bigger way. Raise your hand like this. जो दोनों हाथ जितना हो सके उतना खोल दो. सीना तान के, सीना बाहर, छाती बाहर, हाथ खोल दो. And just repeat after me. I'm going to receive more.
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 I am open to receive
I'm open to receive
all the love
all the love
and abundance of this universe.
and abundance of this universe.
I am open to receive
I'm open to receive
all the love
all the love
and abundance of this universe.
and abundance of this universe.
Please speak it loudly. You have to hear your own voice, and universe is listening to you. So please speak it loudly. So repeat third time that I am open to receive
I'm open to receive
all the love
all the love
and abundance of this universe.
and abundance of this universe.
And give yourself a tight hug, a beautiful hug. Yes, I am deserving. And I am worthy of it. And now I'm ready to go for it. Now I am ready to go for it. Now I'm ready to go for it. Now I'm ready to go for it. Please write it down in the chat box. Now I am ready to go for it. Now I am ready to go for it. As Veena said that all of you, I want to read from all of you in the chat box that now I am ready to go for it. Because universe is listening every dialogues, whenever you are writing, whatever you are speaking, every dialogue is getting imprinted here in your subconscious mind, as well as the universe is also listening to your energies, to your thoughts, to your emotions. And that's why we come here in this class repeatedly, because that's why we get energized, we get recharged. And with recharge, the universe is listening to your thoughts and emotions. So, now I'm ready to go for it. Thank you, Aarti, Aditi, Shilpa, Pooja, and all of you, whoever is written. So, as always said, jitni chaddar utne par utne hi pair phailao. So beautiful. Yes, this is the consciousness, what we were talking about few minutes back when I told you, all of you, the Ellen Cohen story. And in that, it is like, ये हमें बचपन से है हमारे अंदर ब्रेन प्रोग्रामिंग किया गया है कि जितनी चद्दर है उतने ही पैर फैलाओ. सो एज वीना सेड दैट हमें लगता है कि हमारी तो इतनी ही कैपेसिटी है, इतने में हम सेफ गेम खेल सकते हैं, और उतनी ही हम सेफ गेम खेलते हैं. एंड वी नेवर थिंक बिगर, वी नेवर ड्रीम बिगर, वी नेवर टेक a big risk or even big jump. We think that what if, and with that what if, वो पूरे फुगे में से हवा निकाल देता है. What if, Shreya is talking about 1 year journey. What if मेरे घर में कोई बीमार पड़ गया, मुझे हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन के चक्कर खाने पड़े तो. What if मेरे घर में तो मेरे बच्चे की शादी है, मैं नहीं अटेंड कर पाएंगी तो. What if, what if, what if, what if, and you will have hundreds of valid reason. With what if मैं कर ही नहीं पाई तो. What if मैं 9 live sessions attend ही नहीं कर पाई तो. What if. But I have given answers to all your what if. That's why I've kept it open for 1 year and not just 9 months में मैंने नहीं बोला है टाटा गुड बाय. I'm keeping it open for 1 full year. This is the reason that you all are going to be with me for 1 year. If एक session में miss हुआ, दूसरे में attend करो, तीसरे में attend करो, but करो. So I'm ready to go for it. Thank you very much for all of you who have joined now, like Nafisa and Aarti and Hasina and the rest all. So what we were talking about is our consciousness, that when we are thinking small, we can never be big. Write it down in your book. This is a very, very powerful statement which I have heard from Blair Singer, that my success, write it down, my success can never be greater than my self-concepts. My success can never be greater than my self-concepts. So अगर मेरे self-concepts में ही ऐसा है कि मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगी, मेरे में तो वो क्षमता ही नहीं है, मैं कैपेबल ही नहीं हूँ, मेरे अंदर तो कंसिस्टेंसी का सी भी नहीं है अंदर, मैं कभी कोई भी चीज जुड़ती हूँ कभी कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हो पाती हूँ, मैं तो करके आधा करके छोड़ देती हूँ. When I have such, I'm feeling small and small and small and small. What am I going to get? I'm going to be here only with that. And do you know that the pain of not taking action is greater than the failure? Write it down. The pain of not taking action is much more greater than a failure. एटलीस्ट वो सुकून तो मिलेगा कि मैंने अटेंड तो किया, बट मैं एक्शन ही नहीं लूंगी तो क्या होगा? मैं एक्शन नहीं लूंगी तो मैं अभी भी यही होंगी, 6 महीने के बाद भी वही होंगी, रोना धोना चालू होगा, और 2 साल के बाद भी रोना धोना चालू होगा, और शायद मैं आपको 5 साल बाद में मिलूंगी कि हाउ इज लाइफ, एंड यू विल हैव योर सेम स्टोरी और मे बी वर्स्ट. सो द पेन ऑफ रिग्रेट is a silent killer. Regret is a silent killer and it's going to kill you. But taking action, universe loves constant motion. Universe loves constant motion. So when we are living our comfort zone, when we are living our comfort zone and we are ready to experiment, we are ready to work on ourselves, we are ready, and we are declaring it to the universe that yes, I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready, then the universe is also going to hold your hand and show you the path and direction. So, आज अक्षय तृतीया, by the way. What is अक्षय तृतीया? अक्षय तृतीया कि आज के दिन गंगा जो रिवर थी वो उसने धरती पे पधारी थी, and then the river began flowing. What does river mean to us? Rivers mean prosperity, right? कितने सारे लोगों को जीवन मिलता है वो रिवर्स है, राइट? और जो चाहो वो हमें मिलता है, फल फूल, ऑक्सीजन, माउंटेन्स, ट्रीज, एवरीथिंग. इट गिव्स लाइफ टू एवरीवन. वाटर गिव्स लाइफ टू एवरीवन. ऑल द जितने भी जीव है, स्थलचर, नभचर, और क्या बोलते हैं, कोई तो है, आई फॉरगॉट. जो भी तीनों लेयर्स के जो जीव है सबको लाइफ मिलती है वाटर से. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आज के दिन को शुभ माना जाता है कि आज के दिन को कुछ खरीदना चाहिए, गोल्ड खरीदना चाहिए या एसेट खरीदनी चाहिए या कोई भी शुभ काम हो आज के दिन करना चाहिए. देखो इन्होंने कुछ तो किया है, मिरर वर्क.
I got a brand new mirror for myself.
And I love
Arrived yesterday evening, and I was so happy that tomorrow's session I'll be doing with this mirror.
super. I thought you were showing some medal or something. That's so beautiful. Thank you. So आज के दिन में हमें खरीदना चाहिए, सोना खरीदना चाहिए. क्यों हम खरीदते हैं? ताकि पूरे साल में वो मल्टीप्लाई होता है और मल्टीप्लाई होके ग्रोथ होता है हमारा. जैसे रिवर सबको ग्रोथ देती है, जीवन देती है, वैसे आज के दिन में अगर जो भी मैंने खरीदा, गोल्ड खरीदा, एसेट खरीदी, मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं, उसकी कीमत बढ़ती है और मेरी लाइफ में, मेरे फैमिली में प्रॉस्पेरिटी बढ़ती है. And that is on a material level. What about your energy level? When you are going to leave this planet Earth, are you going to take back all your materials with you? बांध के देंगे. नेपोलियन भी खुले हाथ छोड़ के गया था और बोला था कि मेरे हाथ खुले रखना. So, are you going to take this? What are you going to take along with you is your energy. Whatever energy you are holding on, and every day you are developing, every day you are working on it, you are conscious about your energy, and every day, even if you go low, then again you bring up, and you are actually, in Louise Hay's book, Heal Your Life book, she has written that we have to only and only focus on our cosmic bank account. Cosmic, when we grow in cosmic bank account, like how Jay was doing, and I told her about Jay, what she's doing. So when we grow about our cosmic bank account, then automatically everything else will be taken care of. So what is cosmic bank account and how do we increase our cosmic bank account? हम अब तक हमने ना हमारे धर्म में हमने क्या बहुत सुना है, दूसरों का भला करो, दूसरों के लिए जियो, दूसरों के लिए दान दो, दूसरों को ये करो वो करो, एंड दैट्स हाउ यू बिल्ड योर कॉस्मिक अकाउंट, राइट? हमने बचपन से ये सुना है, दूसरों की मदद करो, कोई भी तरह से मदद कर सकते हो, नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट, आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग दैट, बट वी हैव टू गो नाउ फर्दर अहेड. व्हाट इज दैट फर्दर अहेड? How can we build cosmic bank account? By helping our own self, by taking care of our energies. And that is the biggest service we are doing to the consciousness of the universe. We are, with every thought, with every emotions, we are emitting energies. All our, why that's why emotion, energy in motion, that's why emotion. So when every time I am feeling sad, when I am criticizing myself, when I am hating myself, when I am making myself small, every time when I am doing this repeatedly, every day, day after day, day after day, day after day, श्रेया तू कुछ भी करेगी तेरे से होने वाला नहीं है, तू फेल ही होने वाली है, तेरे लिए सब कुछ इम्पॉसिबल है, तुझे कोई सपोर्ट मिलने वाला नहीं है, तू लाइफ में कभी कुछ सक्सेसफुल होने वाली नहीं है, तेरे साथ तो ऐसे ही लोग मिले हुए, तेरी लाइफ फूटी हुई है, तेरा नसीब फूटे हुए, तेरा ये तेरा वो. And every time when we are going with such stories, what are we doing? We are emitting those emotions and these messages to the universe that this is what we want more in multiples. And it's not one day Akshay Tritiya, it's every day Akshay Tritiya. It's not just a one day game. Every day we are emitting these energies, and whatever you give out, it's come back to you in multiples. So are we taking care of our cosmic bank account? Your each thought is adding into that cosmic bank account. We are thinking about job, मेरी job मिल खुल गई है, मेरा business में loss हो गया है, मेरा कर्जा हो गया है, oh my god, I have to work, I have to somehow take care of the job, take care of everything, take care of my business, take care of my funds, financial funds. What are you doing with your cosmic bank account? Because that is the direct reflection of your success or a failure. There is a direct connection. It's a mirror effect. If I am taking good care of my cosmic bank account by taking care of my first energy, you know हम लोग क्यों दूसरों का भला करने जाते हैं और क्यों हमें सुकून मिलता है? क्योंकि हम अपने आप से कभी कोई सुकून नहीं मिल पा रहे, इसीलिए दूसरों का भला करके सुकून करना चाहते हैं. हमें अपने आप से सुकून कैसे मिलेगा? When you are very positive, when you are empowered with your own thoughts, and तभी हमें अपने आप को सुकून मिलेगा, हमें खुशियां मिलेगी. We will feel very boosted in energies. So what we have to do is we have to be in this energy. चलो 24/7 तो नहीं रह सकते, दिन में एटलीस्ट 1 घंटा, दिन में कम से कम 800 थॉट्स, बाद में 800 के डबल करके हम 1500 करेंगे और उसके और तो 3000 करेंगे और उसके अलग और करेंगे. बट कैन वी बी इन दैट एनर्जी एंड इमोशंस, एंड दैट्स हाउ वी आर क्रिएटिंग बैंक अकाउंट. I will always give an example like this. आपके पास किसी ने बहुत बड़ा पटारा भर के हीरे लाके दिए, मोती लाके दिए, सोने के गहने दिए और बोलेंगे कि रोज इसमें से आपको मुट्ठी भर हीरे में आपको देने वाले हूं. What will you do? वो हीरो का कोई बोलेगा मैं नेकलेस बनाऊंगी, रोज मिलने वाले. क्या आप उसको पानी में डुबाओगे? पत्थर है समझ के, ये हीरा पत्थर है फेंको, ये हीरा पत्थर है फेंको पानी में, क्या जरूरत है, मुझे मेरे घर में कचरा नहीं इकट्ठा करना, ये हीरा पत्थर है फेंको. Will you do that? You know that it's very valuable, isn't it? बहुत कीमत है उसकी. So रोज आपको 80,000 हीरे दिए जाते हैं फ्रॉम यूनिवर्स, और यह 80,000 हीरो का आप कैसे इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो? All those diamonds are your thoughts. Science talking about that we think minimum 60 to 80,000 thoughts a day. What are you doing in this 60 to 80,000 thoughts? Are you investing like Hira समझ के? Are you aware of your thoughts? Is your awareness increased from the past 6 months, past 1 week, than yesterday? What is it? And the more you become aware of your thoughts, the more you start acknowledging your own self, more you start appreciating yourself, the more you dive deep into self-love, and you feel that life is worthy. Each thought is very important, like a diamond. And I appreciate that, I acknowledge that, and I love my life, and life loves me. And I keep appreciating, keeping being in gratitude. I keep loving myself. I keep blessing everyone around, people around. What will happen? What will happen? It will automatically, it is going to increase your cosmic bank account. And the moment your cosmic bank account increases with yourself, working on yourself, then automatically it is going to reflect on your finances, on your career, on every area of your life. और वही लुइस ने कहा कि मेरी हेल्थ जो थी, जो कैंसर हो गया था, जहाँ पे ऑपरेशन की जरूरत थी, वो डिटोरिएट होने की बजाय, बिना ऑपरेशन को डिटोरिएट होने की बजाय वो एक्सेलरेट हुई जस्ट थ्रू मिरर वर्क, डेली मिरर वर्क, और वो एक्सेलरेट हुई. We all want finances, पैसा चाहिए, success चाहिए, सबको चाहिए. But are we working in right direction? Hello? Are you working in right direction? We are working, nobody, not a single doubt. You are working, but we are not working in right direction. How many of you feel that right direction is very important? Right direction, then right decision, and then reaching to right destination. So your direction is going to give you a decision that, yes, I want to walk in this decision, that direction, that you take a decision of it. And then from that decision, you reach to destination. But we don't take action. The only thing is we don't take action. Even if someone shows that start walking on this path, the action is missing. And when action is missing, you will just hear and wow, kya boli Shreya, kya empowered feel hua, wow, what a motivational speech, wow, good. And then coming back to zero. I'm not here for any motivational speech. If you want to hear motivational speech, there are many. You will get it free at your own time. You're on YouTube or Insta or Reels and all. You will get it, 2 minutes reel, 1 minute reel. I'm not here for that. I'm here with you to hold your hand throughout the year so that जैसे ऊपर नीचे हो हम सब साथ में चले. And do you know the importance of collective energy? Okay, I will ask you one thing. How many of you are having a person in your life, difficult person, challenging person in your life, where you drain your energy? We have one or many, or more than one. So when we drain our energy, and every day, like I gave that example of leaking tap yesterday, that every day when we are talking to this person, and the worst thing is we are also sharing our dreams to this person. And that person पूरा हमारे फुग्गे में से हवा निकाल के सब बोलता है, this is impossible, don't think about it. ये तो शेख चल्ली के सपने हैं. And then we again feel zero. या वो लोग बोलेंगे तेरे में तो उतनी काबिलियत ही नहीं है, वो दूसरों के लिए ठीक है, तेरे लिए ठीक नहीं है. And then again we come back to the ground level. And every time we get demotivated. And every day we are in the energy of that person who is energy drainer. Have you heard of energy drainer or energy sucker? There are few people in our life who sucks our energy. Few people in your life who sucks our energies. And still we are with them, talking with them, expecting that person to change. But there are energy givers also. Have you heard of energy givers? Who gives you energy? And they are not the energy sucker or energy drainer. They are the one who is energy giver. So how many of you you have people, group of people in your life, or you have people in your life to whom when you go, you get energy, you get empowered, you get charged up, and you go to these people and you are in connection with that people very frequently, not once in a year or once in 6 months. Like Shilpa says that yes, she has. What is the benefit? That whenever you are down, you feel powered up, isn't it? And how often do you go to Shilpa, to that person?
So we have this yoga group where we are going daily. So that's an energizer for me.
Exactly. Super. Super. And that is see what she talked about, yoga group. That is the power of group energy, collective energies. That when collective energies are there, even if we are draining down, even if our moods are low, there is a connection and we again come up with high dose of energy. And we need it? Don't we need it? We all need it. Even I need it. And when I talk to all of you, I feel so charged up, so charged up. So we all need each other's connection. Like yesterday also, I told you one dialogue, one thing, and it's not a dialogue, but it's experience, that in isolation, you can't heal. ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अकेली कर लूंगी, अकेली लड़ लूंगी मेरी जिंदगी और मैं देख लूंगी. In isolation, you can't heal, you can't grow. You can heal only in collective energies. You can heal only through connections. You can heal only through connections. In isolation, you can't heal. You can heal only through connections. And for that, the collective energies are required. And that is why this kind of a group. I will give you one more beautiful example. Example from a guru, Bapaji, Rakesh Bapaji. And he said in one of his discourses, he shared that. Have you all seen eucalyptus tree? They are very thin and tiny, बहुत दुबला पतला, ऐसे बेनियन ट्री जैसा बड़ा उनका ट्री ट्रंक नहीं है, एकदम दुबला पतला सा और लंबे रहते हैं यूकेलिप्टस ट्री. हैव यू सीन दैट? राइट? और लंबे रहते हैं और कितने भी तूफान आते हैं ये ट्री टूटते नहीं है और अड़े रहते हैं. क्यों? कैसे? हम जैसे हमने सुना है कि बेनियन ट्री है जो इतना मोटा है जिसके रूट्स बहुत सारे नीचे अंडर द ग्राउंड गए हैं, वैसे यूकेलिप्टस ट्री का और एक सीक्रेट है. एंड आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू हियर दैट सीक्रेट. यूकेलिप्टस ट्री के रूट्स जो है, इट ग्रोज हॉरिजॉन्टली. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? व्हेन इट ग्रोज हॉरिजॉन्टली, it is holding the roots of other tree. And it is holding the roots of other tree. And now if the हवा का झोंका आया तो मुझे यहाँ से भी सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे यहाँ से भी सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे यहाँ से भी सपोर्ट मिला, मुझे यहाँ से भी सपोर्ट मिला. And that is how the eucalyptus trees can sustain and can live longer lives and contribute. How many of you would like to be remembered like eucalyptus trees? कि जहां पे उसकी खुशबू एक रूम में भी हो तो दूसरे रूम तक पहुंच जाती है. वो यूकेलिप्टस ट्री का ऑयल कितना पावरफुल रहता है. And we are here for this collective energies. When we are supporting each other, this community is for that purpose. On day one, I have explained that empowerment first है अपने आप को empower करो, then empowerment of family, and then service, becoming a service where we are contributing to this Mother Earth and world, and becoming financially independent through our profession. So collective energies are very, very, very important. And why do we want to settle for less when we can have it more? How many of you right now is settling for less? चलो ठीक है, मैं तो क्या है, मैं बीकॉम ही पढ़ी हुई ना, तो मुझे 15,000 में तो सेटल हो जाना चाहिए, मुझे 15-20 हजार की जॉब मिलेगी। ओ मैं एमबीए किया हुआ है, तो चलो मैं सोच सकती हूँ मुझे 50,000 की जॉब मिलेगी, एंड दैट इज इनफ। ओ मैंने इतना किया है एंड आई हैव टू सेटल। मैं तो होम मेकर हूँ, तो मुझे तो जितना मेरा पति देता है उससे समझौता कर लो और ठीक है, अभी उससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं सोच सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम डिपेंडेंट ऑन माई हस्बैंड्स इनकम। Why do you want to settle for less when you are meant for more? So I'm welcoming all of you. I'm welcoming all of you to introspect that in which area of your life right now you are settling for less. And I want all of you to introspect. I will put the music and I want all of you to write it down in the chat box. Where are you just compromising and settling for less? I just want at least one area, if you can, or two areas. So just close your eyes. Close your eyes and just जिंदगी में कौन से एरिया में अभी, कब से, मैं जब से पैदा हुई हूँ तब से समझौता कर रही हूँ, अपने आप को मना रही हूँ कि तेरे लिए इतना ही है और तुझे इतने में ही जीना है, और तू उसके ज्यादा की अपेक्षा नहीं कर सकती। और अभी भी वही माइंडसेट से मैं जी रही हूँ। तुझे तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना ही पड़ेगा, तुझे तो जिंदगी से समझौता करना ही पड़ेगा। एंड यू कांट थिंक बिग, यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट बिग, यू कांट डिजायर फॉर बिगर। कौन सा एरिया है? इट कैन बी हेल्थ, इट कैन बी रिलेशनशिप, इट कैन बी मनी, it can be taking out time for your own self, where you are not able to give time to yourself, what you want. You are not able to take action for your dreams. You are not able to even imagine that this is possible for me. कहाँ कहाँ आप अपने आप को संकुचित बना के रखा हुआ है। जहां आपको डर लग रहा है वो एक्शन लेने से, जहां आपको रिस्क लग रहा है, आपको शायद आपका कंफर्ट जोन छोड़ना पड़ेगा। जहां आपको बहुत दुविधा लग रही है, मुसीबत लग रही है, चैलेंज लग रही है, कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है, देयर इज नो क्लैरिटी, क्लियर स्टेप पे क्या आप समझौता करना चाहते हो अपने आप से? जीवन के इस स्टेप पे क्या आप समझौता करना चाहोगे? You wish to compromise. But do you wish to gather the courage and tell yourself enough is enough? And I deserve more. I deserve growth. I deserve joy, fun, happiness. And I will not settle for less. Anything less than that, I will not settle. I will not settle. I deserve more expansion. I deserve more growth. I deserve more success. I deserve more abundance. I deserve more money. I deserve more health, healthy body. I deserve it. And I'm not going to settle for less. If you deserve it, what are the 3 actions would you like to take? Right from now, soon after the class, in this moment, what are the 3 actions would you like to take where you are not settling for less and when you are expanding? अभी नो मोर समझौता, कोई समझौता नहीं, कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं. And I am going to take action. What are those 3 actions you wish to take from now onwards? And slowly and steadily come back to this space and please write down 3 actions in the chat box. What are the 3 actions? 3 actions you will take before we leave the session and we will go for mirror work. I want all of you commit that these are the 3 actions we are going to take. Because this group is for action takers. बातें तो बहुत कर ली, जिंदगी भर बातें कर ली और सीख लिया, समझ लिया. Now this group is for action takers. So what are the 3 actions would you like to do and take for your expansion? Come out of that compromise. We do right things and not easy. Beautiful, Shilpa. Rafiza said that work on self-growth, invest in self-growth and invest in self-care. So beautiful. Sharda says that I will be happy wherever I am and I will take charge when others put me down. So beautiful. Yes, that is what we are going to have session, power of voice. And we are going to work through these 9 sessions. And I will try to exercise every day. Yes, beautiful. Shilpa says that I will be regular in my class and work on my pace. Beautiful. Yes, so true. Our peace is our asset. Anita Bedi says that self-growth and confidence. Thank you. Aarti says that I will stop exerting myself for lesser relationship. Yes. And I believe I deserve a very efficient house help, a cook, and I will release guilt for calling out wrong behaviors. Yes, so true. Right. So that this is a true taking ownership of our action, maybe past mistakes. And we all do mistake, and that's perfectly okay. But we are taking action because we are now in charge of my life and my thoughts and my emotions. And that's how we grow. And so अक्षय तृतीया के दिन अगर हमारा बिलीफ है कि उस दिन जब गोल्ड खरीदा जिससे एक्सपांशन होगा, ग्रोथ होगा, मल्टीपल्स होगा, and it's a belief. Every day growth is waiting for you and knocking your door. Are you ready to open that door? Every day growth is waiting for you. Every day success is waiting for you. Have you heard of there are many people उनके यहाँ रोज के रोज उतना एक्सपांशन होता है, उनका बिजनेस ग्रोथ होता है. एवरी डे दे आर ग्रोइंग. मैं कैन होंडा की बुक पढ़ रही थी, उसका ये कर रही थी कि इवन ही इज ऑन वेकेशन एंड एवरी डे उसके अकाउंट में पैसे आते रहते. कैसे आते? एंड दिस इज आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली मनी, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. कैसे आते हैं? They only and only talk about energy. How can you stock market में बोलते हैं आज किसका ट्रेडिंग ज्यादा हुआ? So I want to ask all of you this question. What are you trading now? And are you asking this question to yourself in 100 times a day? What am I trading now? And are you trading? Do you trade in stock market जहां पे ऐसे स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करोगे जो डूबने वाले हैं, जो कंपनी? हम ऐसे ही स्टॉक्स में डालेंगे जो कंपनी उगने वाली है, ग्रो होने वाली है. राइट? सो सेम वे लेट्स बहुत सारा कंफर्ट जोन में जी लिए और अभी भी जी सकते हो, बट नो ड्रीम इज बिग इनफ दैट यू कांट अचीव. It's just you have to expand your consciousness and everything is possible. Everything is possible. Let's work on our energies and let's grow bigger. So now, are you ready to create a belief? Through mirror work, we are planting seeds, new seeds in our subconscious mind. And we are creating beliefs. And that's why we are using mirror work. अगर आप लोगों में कुछ लोग नए हो जिन्होंने फर्स्ट और सेकंड डे अटेंड नहीं किया है तो प्लीज आस्क फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग. मैंने ग्रुप में भी रिकॉर्डिंग्स डाले हैं. आस्क फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग एंड देख लो रिकॉर्डिंग. मिरर वर्क के बारे में भी समझाया है बहुत, तो वो भी सुन लीजिए. एंड लेट्स begin with our mirror work. Have a beautiful mirror with you and let's look into your eyes deeply. और अपने आप को पूछो कौन सी गेम खेलनी है अभी, समझौता वाली? और अगर हाँ तो कब तक खेलनी है समझौता वाली गेम? और क्या विचार आ रहे हैं? ये सारी बातें हैं, कुछ पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्या विचार आ रहे हैं? And now let's talk loudly, where you have to hear our own voice. Talk loudly in the mirror, looking into your eyes deeply. I'm ready to grow. I'm ready to grow. I'm ready to grow. I'm ready to change my mindset. I'm ready to change my mindset. I'm ready to change my mindset. I am ready to drop my old approach. I'm ready to drop my old approach. I love to grow and I choose to grow. I love to grow and I choose to grow. I love to grow and I choose to grow. I give permission to myself 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 to grow. Because I am worthy of success. I am worthy of success. मैं सफल होने के लायक हूँ. मैं सफलता पाने के लायक हूँ. मैं सफलता पाने के लायक हूँ. मैं सफल होने के लायक हूँ. And I'm worthy of success. I'm much more powerful beyond my imagination. I'm much more powerful beyond my imagination. I'm much more powerful beyond my imagination. And now keep looking into your eyes. And how would you like to feel powerful? What will make you feel powerful? Keep looking into your eyes and think and visualize what will make you feel powerful, what will make you feel successful. What did you feel? And how did you feel? Last 5 minutes. Ruchi Samdani, you have joined today for the first time. What did you feel? How did you feel? Ruchi, I'm asking you. Are you typing? Who else wants to share? How did you feel? What did you feel? Anybody else would like to share? Nafiza said that I felt I can achieve success. Thank you. And yes, Nafiza, I loved your message also yesterday that earlier I was feeling shy, introvert, not confident. And now slowly, being in this energy, I'm feeling very confident and I'm taking actions confidently. And can you see the change? You repeated 11 days challenge 2-3 times, then you did 30 days challenge. Now you are in this energy. And every time, whenever you are taking action, your energy is changing, your consciousness is expanding, and you are becoming more and more confident. Thank you for sharing that message, Nafisa. Yeah. So, through mirror work, we go deeper and we find out what is the reason, what is stopping us. Many times when you are saying that I'm ready for the success, और अंदर से आवाज आती है कि नहीं तुम सक्सेस हैंडल कैसे कर पाओगे. Like, for me also, what I was thinking that yes, I'm taking a webinar with 200, 500 people. That was I was visualizing in my success. I'm touching so many lives. That is what I was visualizing. And अंदर से आवाज आई, श्रेया तुम मैनेज कैसे करोगी इतने सारे लोगों को. And then I again had one more affirmation in my mind that I'm very well supported by a very, very beautiful, trustworthy team who is taking care of everything. So, the moment we have this affirmation in the mirror, that's why I asked you that anybody wants to share. I wanted to hear that from all of you, that if there is any doubt or any fear or any hesitation comes up on the surface, and if it comes up, grab it. That is the asset. वही हीरा है. लुइस हे ने कहा है कि जब आप मिरर वर्क करो और जो सारा अंदर के डाउट्स, अंदर के दुविधाएं सब बाहर आना शुरू होता है, ट्रस्ट नहीं आता है, दैट इज वेयर वी हैव टू वर्क. वो एरिया में पकड़ के हमें काम करना है. क्योंकि सब लोग बोलते हैं आई एम ब्यूटीफुल, आई एम केपेबल, आई एम दिस, आई एम दैट, डू आई एम अफर्मेशन इन द मॉर्निंग. मिरर वर्क इज नॉट फॉर दैट. मिरर वर्क इज गोइंग डीपर. मेरी कॉन्शियसनेस में क्या छुपा हुआ है, कहाँ कहाँ मैं डर रही हूँ, कहाँ कहाँ मुझे अपने आप पे ही गुस्सा आ रहा है या अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. मिरर वर्क उसलिए है. एंड देन वी हैव टू fix those areas for ourselves. And that's why we do mirror work. So how many of you are ready for this 1 year journey? Why am I giving 1 year? Because ऐसे भी दिन आएंगे बहुत बार आप बिजी रहोगे, आप ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाओगे. और 1 साल तक जब हम कंटिन्यूसली रिपीट मोड पे ये चलता रहेगा तो उसके रिजल्ट्स हमें देखने को मिलेंगे. अगर 2 दिन में मैंने आपको 3 दिन के फ्री क्लास लिए सिखा दिया, कितने लोगों को लगता है कि आप अपने आप से ये सब काम कर लोगे. अपने आप की आपकी अलर्टनेस और अवेयरनेस रहेगी, जहां पर अपने आप से आप सोचोगे कि हाँ श्रेया ने बोला था. 1 महीने के बाद इसमें से एक सेंटेंस भी याद नहीं होगा ये सेशन का. जितने लोग हम सोचते हैं कि मैं अपने आप से कर लूंगी, मैं यूट्यूब देख के कर लूंगी, नहीं होता है. देयर इज अ पावर ऑफ कलेक्टिव एनर्जीज. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ऑल टुगेदर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी आर ऑन दिस जर्नी. That's why we are going to do everyday mirror work, as well as there are 9 live sessions once a week. पर वीक एक सेशन होगा जहाँ पे रोज एक्सरसाइज दी जाएगी वही टॉपिक के रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स रहेंगे. माय रिलेशनशिप विथ माई सेल्फ, माई रिलेशनशिप विथ माई लव्ड वंस, माई रिलेशनशिप विथ टाइम मैनेजमेंट, माई रिलेशनशिप with my own communication, my power of voice, my relationship with my accountability, my result, my productivity, how much productive I am, my relationship with my divine, what are the obstacles on my road and how do I tackle it. So ये 9 सेशन में हर एक सेशन में अलग 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 टॉपिक पे हम बात करेंगे 9 फ्राइडेज एंड देन वही टॉपिक के रिलेटेड हम रोज डेली एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, डेली मिरर वर्क करेंगे. सो आज ये लास्ट दिन था फ्री क्लास का and from tomorrow onward it's going to be a paid class. So many of you have already enrolled for it and few of you are new to it. Whoever is keen to join in, प्लीज ज्वाइन इन, जंप इन. बहुत सारे डाउट्स आएंगे, आते ही रहेंगे और वो आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ने देंगे. आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड का काम ही है डाउट्स की खेती करना, भय की खेती करना, और आप उसके ट्रैप में फंसे रहोगे. बट टेक एक्शन and your action is going to take you to your destination. So your action leads to destination. So take action in a right direction. That is also important. So action plus right direction reaches to destination. So let's move forward, go ahead. And आज रात को भी एक स्पेशल सेशन है जहां पर जितने पेड मेंबर्स हैं उनके लिए हम आज अक्षय तृतीया होने की वजह से वी आर सेटिंग अ ब्यूटीफुल इंटेंशन फॉर द होल 1 year. सो वी आर ऑल मीटिंग. मैं टाइम ग्रुप में बता दूंगी कि कितने बजे हम मिल रहे हैं. रात को ही मिलेंगे मोस्टली, देन एवरीबडी इज फ्री एंड वी आर गोइंग टू डू वन रिचुअल. So and what are the requirements? I will tell you everything in the group. With that requirements, we will be doing maybe 1 hour or again 1.5 hour session for tonight. Special session tonight, Akshay Tritiya special session, where we are setting an intention for a 1 year journey. Whoever has not paid the fees, still think about it. Pay it before evening today so that you can also take opportunity and grab the opportunity and join in this class, join to this class tonight. So till that time, all the best, and I love you all. Thank you so much, and I love you, and I love you. I love you so, and you love me so. We are a happy family. We are a happy family. Yes, Cecilia, I loved your smile. Thank you for that smile, beautiful smile on all of your faces. Thank you so much, and I love you.